What if light held secrets we've only begun to imagine? Imagine a universe where light is more than just a force we see. Scientists have just unveiled the Chiral Vortex, a revolutionary new structure that could redefine our understanding of light and its potential applications. Picture this. We already know that light can move in a vortex, spiraling as it travels. But now, researchers have added something extra, a special twist called chirality. Chirality refers to the handedness of molecules, where they exist in either a left-handed or right-handed form, just like mirror images of each other. Why is that important? Well, in the world of biology and chemistry, these tiny differences between left and right-handed molecules can determine whether a substance is helpful or harmful to the body. Think of it like a key that fits perfectly into a lock, or one that doesn't. And this new light structure, the Chiral Vortex, is the key to unlocking these molecular mysteries. Physicists Olga Smirnova and Nicolamayer from the maxborninstitute in Germany have developed this technology to measure chirality more precisely than ever before. This breakthrough could revolutionize the way we detect diseases like cancer, kidney disorders, and even brain diseases. And it doesn't stop there. The Chiral Vortex has huge implications for drug development, ensuring that drugs are designed with the right molecular handedness, preventing dangerous side effects. But wait, there's more. This groundbreaking light structure could even allow scientists to control chemical reactions with light. Imagine being able to tweak molecular interactions at will. That's what this innovation promises for the future. The Chiral Vortex isn't just a step forward. It's a leap into the future of science, medicine, and technology. Stay tuned as we explore how this could shape the world we live in. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge science and tech updates. The next generation of discoveries is just around the corner.